In this video, we're going to talk about the different types of video hosting services. The basic versions of these hosting services are free, so you can upload and store your videos there without paying for anything. At the same time, anyone around the world can view your videos whenever they want. So here, I'll show you the names and websites of video hosting services. You can see the list on your screen. Vimeo is really good because people who manage that site never delete your videos. And of course, the third most searched website in the world, YouTube. You can store unlimited number of videos here, and there are a lot of features which can make your rankings on search engine higher. All the details of these hosting services are on the PDF, so just check them thoroughly there. Let's go to Google first, and I'll show you one of my favorite sites for video recording services, which is Camtasia. I'll show you how to use it for free. So this is the website, which is www.techsmith.com/camtasia.html. Once you are there, you can download the free trial. You can find video tutorials about Camtasia on YouTube, which makes it easier for you to use. You can see in Camtasia options like record the screen or record the PowerPoint. Once you have chosen, just click the record button. When you are through, you can already render your video or edit them outright. You can also record yourself here and add it on the screen being recorded, and you can learn all these through video tutorials as well.